Morning, boys and girls. Today we are doing HMH into reading virtual practice because it is Friday. There we go, a little bit center here. We are doing the standard KRC5 with support, retell main idea, and key details in a text. Our objective is I am learning to identify the sequence of a story. We're going to review sequencing. We're going to skip all of that. And we're going to read a story called There Was an Old Lady Who Swallowed Some Snow. And then you're going to sequence the events in that story. Here's my custard face. What am I learning today? I am learning to identify the sequence of a story. Why is this important? So that I can tell what happens first, next, then, and last. So again, we're talking about the beginning, middle, and end. What happens first, next, which can have more than one, and then last. How will I be successful today? I'm going to be successful today if I can think about what the old lady swallowed in order, first, next, and last. And I can glue them all in order so that they make sense. Then I will draw and write what happened at the end, what happened last. So today I am learning to sequence the events in a story. What is sequence? When the author tells the events in order, it is called a sequence. Reading the events or steps in order helps us understand the information better. Sometimes each step is numbered like 1, 2, 3. Sometimes each step starts with a signal word like first, next, or last. Readers also use signal words to retell the steps of a sequence. So when we retell stories, we always use the words first, next, and last. That's what that's saying. All right, so today, let's see if I can make this a little bit bigger. There we go. So today we're going to be reading There Was an Old Lady Who Swallowed Some Snow. And we're going to listen for what happens in order. What happens first, next, and last. So pay attention to the things she's swallowing first, next, and last. There was a cold lady who swallowed some snow. I don't know why she swallowed some snow. Perhaps you know. Excuse me. She swallowed, my pages are stuck together. Gobble, gobble. There was a cold lady who swallowed a pipe. She wasn't the type to gulp down a pipe. She swallowed the pipe to warm her 10 toes that tickled and tingled from layers of snow. I don't know why she swallowed some snow. Perhaps you know. So think about, what did she swallow first? And what did she swallow next? First, next. There was a cold lady who swallowed some coal. What was her goal when she gobbled that coal? Coal is that black stuff that you usually see if Santa says you're bad. You can use it to burn things. Like if you're using a grill at home to cook food, you can use coal in that. If you want to use or start a fire, you can use coal for that. It's usually like these black little cubes like that. All right, let's listen to see what she swallowed so far. She swallowed the coal to keep her pipes glow. She swallowed the pipe to keep her 10 toes warm. That tickled and tingled from layers of snow. I don't know why she swallowed some snow, but perhaps you know. So we have the snow, then the pipe, then the coal. There was a cold lady who swallowed a hat. Imagine that, a black-brimmed hat. I wonder why she swallowed the hat. She swallowed the hat before she froze. She swallowed the coal to keep her pipes glow. She swallowed the pipe to warm her 10 toes that tickled and tingled from layers of snow. I don't know why she swallowed some snow. Perhaps you know. There was a cold lady who swallowed a stick. A long brown branch. What a pick. She swallowed the stick to push down the snow. She swallowed the hat before she froze. She swallowed the coal to keep her pipes glow. She swallowed the pipe to warm her tin toes that tickled and tingled from layers of snow. I don't know why she swallowed some snow. Perhaps you know. So right now we have her starting to swallow snow. Then she swallowed the pipe to warm her toes. Then she swallowed the coal to keep her pipe warm, to keep her tin toes warm too. Then she swallowed her hat. And we'll have to see. Oh, and the stick. She swallowed the stick. So we'll have to see what's next after this stick. There was a cold lady who swallowed a scarf, a long striped scarf. She tried not to barf. Gobble, gobble. She swallowed the scarf because it was so cold. She swallowed the stick to push down the snow. She swallowed the hat before she froze. She swallowed the coal to keep her pipes glow. She swallowed the pipe to warm her tin toes that tickled and tingled from layers of snow. I don't know why she swallowed some snow. Perhaps you know. Now this, oh, didn't show you that picture, did I? Now this cold lady had quite enough. So she thought and she thought, and she came up with a plan. You can see she has an idea here. Hiccup, hiccup. She hiccuped twice, and out popped. This is what happens last. Out popped a snowman. The end. All right, boys and girls, let's make Miss Badel smaller here so we can see what we're doing. Okay, so I need to model the sequencing of the things the old lady swallowed. So today we have to think, what did she swallow next? We're going to cut and glue the pictures in order so that they make sense, and then we're going to write and label the item. So I think about what the old lady swallowed first. Well, I know at the very beginning of the story, before she swallowed anything, she swallowed some snow, like it said in the title. So I cut this out and glue it at number 1. Then I have to write what it is. It is snow. Oh. All right, I want you to get your paper and copy that down, cut the snow out, and then you can write it on the line below. Now, when you're ready, you're going to follow the steps again with the snow being first. You have to think, what did she swallow next? So I have to think, let's go back to the story. She swallowed some snow, and I know she swallowed something to warm her tin toes. What was that? The pipe. So next, we will cut and glue the pipe. So let's go back to Miss Badel's paper. I'm going to cut the pipe, and I'm going to glue it right in that number 2 box. And then I have to write pipe. Pa-I-pa. All right, I want you to think about what she swallowed next. Now remember, for number 3, what did she swallow next? She swallowed something to keep that pipe burning, to keep it on fire. Think about what Miss Badel said about fire. Which one of these keeps the pipe? We'll cover up the pipe so you don't get confused. Which one of these things at the bottom, these objects, did she swallow? Was it the coal or was it the stick? Which one of those would keep the pipe hot? Glue it there, and then think about what happens next. If you need any help, please just raise your hand and we will come and help you. All right, boys and girls, when you're done, do not forget to submit. So you're going to finish your paper. Take a picture of your paper showing me what it looks like, all of your pictures and all of your labels done, and what happened last in the story. And then you're going to take that video, press all your buttons in order that you need to press so that you can get the confetti. If you get the confetti, give me a thumbs up so I know. right, boys and girls. Bye.